All right, let's talk about COVID here in our state. Indiana reporting another huge number of COVID cases today.
That's right. The numbers today, 3,700 new cases. The average number of cases each day continues to go up, and you can see that rise when you look here at the right side of your screen and watch that dotted line. This summer's surge really taking a huge toll on all of our medical frontline workers.
Tonight, our Steve Jefferson tells us that's why one healthcare worker is doing her part to try to ease the pain of those tireless hours at the hospital.
For many healthcare workers, the resurgence of COVID is deja vu.
Here we go again in a fight to save lives.
Saving lives is at the heart of what St. Vincent Ascension nurse Chris Trageser hopes to do as she sees COVID doing a repeat of last year.
Only to me it's even scarier because Delta is so much more contagious and we're seeing it in a lot younger people.
Younger people made up most of the line for this COVID testing site at the Ivy Tech Lawrence campus Tuesday morning. The line for the vaccine much shorter, which tells nurse Chris they need the public's help ending the pandemic.
They personally can do their part in ending this pandemic, and that is through wearing a mask, it's through getting vaccinated, it is in supporting our healthcare workers.
Nurse Chris knew at an early age she would do healthcare. Growing up, she committed to caring for her identical twin sister during her illness. So there is much more to the words on the t-shirt she's wearing. With the public's help, Nurse Chris hopes to show compassion to fellow frontline healthcare workers by buying snacks with funds she raises.
The funds are going to go to supporting them, but I want to do it in a way that's very personal from the community.
A community she prays will also line up not only to get tested, but also vaccinated.
When I started this project, it was a calling from God to be able to give the love to our hospital. To give the love to our employees. I've had my own battle with illness, and so I have been both a nurse and I've been the patient. I just want to be a light in the darkness right now.
And if you missed the opportunity to get vaccinated today, don't worry, you have another chance tomorrow. Ivy Tech hosting another vaccination clinic at the downtown campus Wednesday from 10 in the morning until 6 at night. Also, you can go to that very same clinic, no appointment necessary, also to get tested for COVID-19. Meantime, the number of new COVID-19 cases in our children continues to go up as well. Let's look at the numbers from the American Academy of Pediatrics. These are national numbers. Around 204,000 pediatric cases were reported last week. That's about 22.4% of the total cases reported. And they're the same kind of numbers that we were seeing during the winter surge.